ama-elimination sisuka sikhipha, remove. So senze i-opposite yoku-adda. But i-elimination reaction e-important edlula wonke ngokubaluleka u-dehydrohalogenation lena. Dehydrohalogenation, this is the most common one. Mababuza kukancane ukuthi i-exam yakho ingabe nayo u-dehydrohalogenation. Yabo, dehydrohalogenation la sisusa khona ku-HX. But asiqale no-dehydrogenation. Siqale sikhiphe u-hydrogen. Sibone ukuthi masikhipha u-hydrogen yini esiyidingayo. Masikhipha u-hydrogen, what do we need? So singaba, remember ama-elimination reaction ayenzeka kuma-alkanes. Ayenzeka kuphi? Kuma-alkanes. So sisuke silindele ukuthi sibe nani? Ne-alkane. So silindele ukuthi sorry. So silindele ukuthi sibe nama-alkane lana. Hey, ngicela uphuze amanzi kancane. Okay. Sekhona nje.
Yes, gone.
All right. So asithathe nayi alkane ke. All right, nayi alkane yethu. Sifuna ukukhipha u-hydrogen. So u-hydrogen angeke ibe i-reactant. Sithatha i-alkane sikhipha ubani? U-hydrogen. So sizokhipha ubani? U-hydrogen. Sikhipha u-H2, remove u-H2. So lana masikhipha u-hydrogen abawu-2, masingathi mhlambe sizokhipha laba, lona nalona. Sizosala nento kanjeni. Shuthi angeke sibadwebe nje kule nto esoyidweba manje. C H H C H bese C H H kanjeni. Siyabona nje ukuthi asabadwebanga labo hydrogen ngoba naba sibakhiphile lana. Siyababona ngisho sibakhiphile la. So njengoba sesibakhiphile niya notice ukuthi o-carbon bethu laba sebesala banama-bonds awu-3 kuphela. Do you notice this?
Yeah.
Yes, kusele 1, 2, 3 bonds kuphela. So ukuze babalance njengoba sekuphumile o-hydrogen bazofoma ini? I-double bond.
Double bond.
Exactly. So baba yi-alkene. So kahle yi-opposite ye-hydrogenation lento. Usakhumbula ukuthi ku-hydrogenation besuke sibe nani? Ku-hydrogenation besuke sibe ne-alkene esihlanganisa nabo-hydrogen esikhiphela ini? I-alkane. Lana senza i-opposite, senza into ehlukile nje. So lana sithatha i-alkane. Senza njani? Sikhipha o-hydrogen. Isala ini? I-alkene. So i-elimination reaction lena yokuqala. Okuyi-dehydrogenation. Sikhipha u-hydrogen. Senza opposite nje. I-reaction yakhona is just i-opposite hydrogenation. So kahle u-hydrogenation bozo-adda o-H abawu-2 nale alkene lena. But now mawenza i-dehydrogenation ukhipha o-H abawu-2 from ini? From i-alkane. So ama-elimination reaction ayenzeka kuma-alkanes kuphela, ngiyaphinda la. And ama-reaction condition for lana awabalekile kakhulu. Awabalekile kakhulu ama-reaction conditions. Nokuthi bawa-mention kancane. Masi yenza i-dehydrohalogenation basasho ukuthi kumele sikhiphe sisebenzise u-catalyst nakhona. We must use i-catalyst, u-palladium noma u-nickel. but kancane ukuthi bayiveze ngaleyo ndlela. So yini lena i-dehydrogenation. Sikhipha ini? Sikhipha u-hydrogen oyedwa. Right, manje sesiku dehydrohalogenation. Yabona nje lena ngi-highlight ngoba ibaluleke kakhulu. Ubani u-dehydrohalogenation? It's just the opposite of ubani u-hydrohalogenation. Kusho ukuthi ku-dehydrohalogenation ukhipha ubani u-hydrogen onani one-halogen. But mawuyibhala lena ifuna ukuthi ube careful kakhulu. Okay. So let's say on a compound lana haloalkane. So nayi compound yakho haloalkane. I-haloalkane ngoba kuno bromine lana nje, and ubromine uyi-halogen usuka group number 7. So 9. So now thiwa now kwenzeka ini? Nakho kwenzeka i-dehydrohalogenation. U-dehydrohalogenation asiqale sibala ama-condition wakhe because iwona abaleke ukudlula wonke. So ama-reaction conditions ka-dehydrohalogenation athi you must react lento lena, you must react it with a strong base, a concentrated strong base. Concentrated strong base. So sikhuluma ngani ngama strong bases? Sikhuluma ngabo NaOH, nani ngabo AKOH. Iwo ama strong base avame ukusetshenziswa. Shuthi into esiyenzayo ku-dehydrohalogenation sisuka sizo-reacta lento lena, si-reacta nani? No NaOH noma no KOH. Ku-dehydro, remember ukuthi lento lena ubani? U-dehydrohalogenation. Shuthi into esiyenzayo lana sikhipha ubani? Sikhipha u-hydrogen ono-halogen. So sikhipha ubani? U-hydrogen ono-halogen. But ukuze sikwazi ukukwenza lokho siqala noku-eda noma si-reacta nobani? No-KOH noma NaOH. So asithathe u-KOH for example. So si-reacta nobani? No-KOH kanjena. Si-reacta no-KOH. So maso-reacta ne-KOH thina inhloso yethu ukhipha ubani? Ukhipha i-hydrogen ehamba nani? Ne-halogen. Ukhipha i-hydrogen ehamba nani? Ne-halogen. Mase sikhiphile lokho, into yethu izosale kanjani? Asikhiphe sibone, sibhale into esalayo. Masingakhipha u-H no Br lana. So sala no-H, sibe no-C, sibe no-H, sibe no-H. Low carbon, no hydrogen lana. And then lana sino C, sino H, sino H. And then lana sino C onabo H aba 3. So sesenzeni lana si-eliminate ubani? U-H no Br. Shuthi into esiyenzile la kule compound so far. Sikhiphe ubani? U-H lona kanye nobani? No Br. Sikhiphe u-H no Br. Inhloso yoku-eliminate. Dehydrohalogenation sikhipha u-hydrogen ne-halogen. So njengoba sesibakhiphile-ke lana kuzokwenzakalani? Lo hydrogen lona uzohamba ahlangane nani namanzi, and then ahlangane no-OH njalo, bese lo bromine lona uhlangana nobani no-K. But asiqale silungiselane. Uyabona ukuthi njengoba manje sikhiphe u-hydrogen no-Br, labo carbon laba basale bangenayo ama-bond aphelele. So basale bana 3 bonds each. Siyakubona sonke lokho.
Yes.
So it means ukuthi sibalance into yabo kumele babe nani ne-double bond phakathi kwabo.
Double bond.
Exactly. Masofaka i-double bond phakathi kwabo sibe right. Sho ukuthi yini esisala nayo lana? Sisala no H or reactor no OH. Basikhiphela ubani? U-H2O. Plus u-K or reactor nobani? No Br. Basikhiphela u-KBr. Dehydrohalogenation. Lena u5 marks mawenza i-reaction ye-dehydrohalogenation. Bawumakela yonke into bakumaka from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 marks. So good dehydrohalogenation asivele nje sivele sikhiphe nje kuphela. Ukuze sikhiphe senza njani? Si-reactor ne-strong base. Si-reactor nani? Ne-strong base. It's either si-reactor no-KOH noma si-reactor nobani? No-NaOH. I-reaction condition ebalulekile. So lana loku reactor lokhu suke senza ukuthi sikhiphe u-H no-Br. So lento sibiza ngobani? Ngo-dehydrohalogenation. Because sikhiphe u-H, siyakhipha no-Br, should sikhiphe u-hydrogen ne-halogen. So this is dehydrohalogenation. But into kumele uyenze lana, ungakhohlwa ukuyenza, ukureactisa lento ofuna ukuyi-eliminate, uyi-reactise nani? Ne-concentrated strong base. Siyazwana yini?
Yes.
Siphinde senze enye lena because this one important kakhulu lena, important kakhulu. Yabo, another reaction condition we need heat. We need heat for this reaction. And particularly this is heat under reflux. So muzobona igama elithi reflux. Libe no heat, so we dehydrohalogenation. Heat under reflux. Bese ke enye into esifunayo u-ethanol. So ilama reaction condition. So once ungabona u-ethanol reflux heat noma ubone concentrated strong base, kumele be concentrated iphinde be strong base. Usually basebenzisa u-NaOH no-KOH. So example 2. Sithi okay. Siphinde senze sithathe hello alkane. Ngicela abantu close the mics. In sound. Right. So la sino C kanjeni. Ngifake ubani? U-Br. So nayi u-2 bromopropane. Uyi-alkane. Shuthi angakwazi ukugoa through i-elimination reaction ngoba uyi-alkane. So now masim eliminate. This case sifuna uku-eliminate thina. Sifuna ukukhipha u-H no-Br. Sifuna ukukhipha ubani? U-H no-Br. Shuthi sifuna ukukhipha u-hydrogen ne-halogen. Sikhipha u-hydrogen nani ne-halogen. So masikhipha u-hydrogen no-halogen, siyazi ukuthi asivele sikhiphe nje si-reactisa nani no-KOH noma no-NaOH. In this case asisikhethe no-NaOH. Sino-sodium hydroxide kanjena. Shuthi into esizoba nayo seso-eliminate u-H no-Br siyabakhipha. Shuthi angisababhala le compound elandelayo. kuzoba u-H, C, H, bese-ke C, H, bese-ke C, H, H, H. So in this case, sesibakhiphile OH no-Br. Labo carbon laba bawu-2 lona nalona basele banani? Basele bana 3 bonds kuphela. Shouthi ukuze sibhalanse ama-bonds wabo sifaka ini? A double bond la between them. Siyenza ukuthi be double bond between them. So sekuyi-alkene, sesi-eliminate labo ku-2. Masiba-eliminate kwenzakalani? U-H, always u-H uzohlezi ethatha ubani? U-OH. Bese-ke i-halogen izothatha ubani? U-sodium noma i-potassium mawuthi sino-KOH. Shuthi lana sosala sinani? Sosala sino-Na bese nobani? No-Br, sodium bromide plus water. So i-elimination reaction izohlezi ikhipha ubani? Water. Always khipha water eceleni bese into esalayo uyihlanganisa. Water umkhipha kanjani? Uthatha lo hydrogen eliminatayo umhlanganise nalo OH, cause into ozoyisebenzisa vele isuke ino-OH. Then lokho kusalayo lokho ukureactisa nale halogen ephumayo la, bese i-reaction yakho iba u-5 marks. Ibaluleke kakhulu lena, dehydrohalogenation. Kuyezwakala yini?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so iyebalulekile labonke. O-dehalogenation labonke labo abekho that important kangako. U-dehalogenation remove abo halogen abawu-2 wenza i-opposite yalokho bese kwenza u-halogenation. Sakhumbula ngisho halogenation lena eyesithathu bese ne-alkene si-eda o-Br abawu-2 sithola 9. But ku-dehalogenation ukhipha labo bromine, wenza nje i-reverse, kahle uyaguqula lento lena. Okunye nje akubalulekile kangako o-dehalogenation labo, they are not that important because in a simple example singavele sithathe into enabo bromine abawu-2 noma abo chlorine abawu-2. So nangu bromo la, okay, ngisebenzisa u-chloro kanye. Okay, asithi nangu Cl lana, nangu Cl lana, u-H, 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 u-H. So lena siyabona ukuthi inani inama-halogen awu-2 afanayo. So singavele siwakhiphe lawo halogen abawu-2 abafanayo. Sisale nento kanjena C, C, C. Leya Cl angesambhala ngase simkhiphile ngisho nakho ngesambhala. Shuthi labo Cl abawu-2 angesababhala ngase sibakhiphile. But labo carbon laba sebeyashoda ama-bond because sebesele na 3 laba abawu-2, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So to balance senza njani? Sifaka i-double bond phakathi kwabo. Sifaka i-double bond. Then-ke labo chlorine abawu-2 esibakhiphile labo kuzoba u-plus Cl abawu-2 again. So sibakhiphile. Uyabona ukuthi nje is the opposite of ukufaka u-chlorine. It's just doing i-dehalogenation. Lena ayinawo ama-special conditions angaka. Even ama-reaction conditions with dehalogenation they are not usually mentioned. Awekho important. So our ask into expressa ngayo kakhulu i-dehalogenation. But i-dehydration comes second. U-dehydration ulandela u-dehydrohalogenation nokubaluleka. Ukhipha water lapho. So ku-dehydration sikhipha amanzi from i-compound. And ukuze sikhipha amanzi, i-compound ethu kumele ube i-alcohol. Angeke ukwazi ukhipha u-H2O ungase i-alcohol. Mhlambe nayi alcohol now lana masisusa u-OH sisusa nalo H lona. Shuthi sosala no C, onabo H abawu2 kanjena, and laba ke labo C bethu abasekho balanced, yabo. So abasekho balanced because banama bonds awu3 kuphela, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Shuthi kumele senze njani? Sifake i-double bond phakathi kwabo. Shuthi le elimination ayisebenzi for ama-primary alcohol basically, isebenza for ama-secondary nama-tertiary. So nakho plus ubani? u-HOH. So uvele ukhiphe nje u-H2O wakho, into esalayo naye kusuke i-alkene. So kahle kahle basically singasho ukuthi from alkene to alkane siyenza njani lapho? From alkene to alkane siya-add, senza ama-addition reaction, but from alkane to alkene siya-eliminate. Yes. Because vele siyabona ukuthi yonke into masizo-add something ku-alkane njalo iba yi-alkane. Masizo-remove something ku-alkane iba yi-alkene. Ama-conditions we-dehydration. I-dehydration nayo idinga ubani? Ama-conditions wayo isadinga H2SO4. Isadinga H2SO4 noma ubani? u-H3PO4. So we can use ubani? U-sulfuric acid noma sisebenzise ubani? U-phosphoric acid. Phakathi kwabo labo 2. And namanye ama-conditions ongawathola abo-heating nani izinto ezikanjalo, but i-dehydration ayikho complex. Into ebengikhathazeka ngayo kakhulu ilena, u-dehydrohalogenation. Uyiphendule noku-adda u-NaOH noma u-KOH.